XRP enthusiasts highlights just how XRP could hit $17. Now, a lot of people waiting to see what's going to happen here with the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Many people have been loading up on XRP. We've been talking about whale activity, and of course, BSC whales have been accumulating XRP, and many of the whales since the entire lawsuit has started have not stopped accumulating XRP. And while many cryptocurrencies here to start 2023 are up 40, 50, 60% year to date, maybe even more, some of the ones like VeChain up 100%, XRP has not moved all that much. It's been pretty steady, but many people believe that volatility will come when we get some clarity on the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. And if Ripple, the company, behind XRP, happens to defeat the SEC, we could get a huge price boost to come. Now, we could check this article out. We're going to dive into it a little bit deeper. XRP enthusiast highlights how XRP could hit $17. And XRP's breakthrough to a $7 or a $17 price point could come on the back of an SEC settlement that involves the incineration of half of Ripple's escrowed tokens, according to pseudonymous XRP influencer Nerd Nation Unbox. However, he noted that the situation is purely hypothetical and barely feasible. According to him, should the U.S. SEC demand that Ripple burn half of the tokens currently in escrow as part of the settlement terms for the ongoing litigation, XRP would skyrocket to $7.40 upon attaining Ethereum's market cap, and then $17.42 if it ever reaches the Bitcoin market cap. Let's just say the SEC makes Ripple burn half the escrow as part of the sort of settlement. Just hypothetical here, people. Don't take it serious. But if XRP gets a market cap of Ether and or a market cap of Bitcoin right after the settlement, this could be something that's pretty feasible to happen if the SEC makes Ripple burn half the escrow. Now, the values were reached by crypto analytics tool Market Cap of. Market Cap of allows investors to take a glimpse at an asset's value. There's a lot of other assets, tools like this. The Coin Perspective does this too. Now, moreover, the chances of the SEC versus Ripple case ending in a settlement are rather slim, much less a settlement that involves burning escrowed tokens. Attorney John Deaton has repeatedly stressed the settlement before a court ruling is highly unlikely. Deaton added this is one of his predictions this year. Nonetheless, the lawyer recently noted that Ripple could pay up to $250 million as a settlement if the commission publicly agrees that the current and future sales of XRP are not regarded as securities. However, he believes the SEC will not make such a declaration at this point, that it is looking to bring the crypto industry under its control, and they're trying to make XRP and really Ripple an example here. Now, take a look at the current prices here. XRP has been trading right in this tight range of 38 to 41 cents for quite some time. We can take a look at that here in the 1 month time frame. We did pop up to 42 cents just a few times. We have not been able to hold the line, though, above that level. Take a look at the 3 month. We did pop over the 42 cent mark just briefly, but really we've been trading somewhere in this 40 cent range for the entire year to date. We did come down here from 34 cents, pop up to 42 cents, and almost damn near 43 cents there for just a short period. But all in all, we have been seeing consolidation happen with XRP, and still kind of waiting to get more insight and clarity onto this Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. But all of that being said, XRP still ranked number 6, still an extremely large market cap, still a lot of whale activity, and a lot of hope for the price, depending on what happens here with the lawsuit. But if the SEC came to Ripple and said they had to burn half of what's in their escrow, man, that could make the price skyrocket. But many people believe the price will find new footing once this lawsuit is done, and a lot of people will FOMO in to XRP, given what XRP does and given what Ripple Labs is working on. You can't deny the technology and the good that XRP does for cross-border payments and businesses in that regard, right? So we'll see what happens here with XRP. And as always, guys, appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.